Welcome back to Flo's Food Kitchen. My name's Luke.
And I'm Kay, and today we're going to be showing you how to make an old school butterscotch tart.
We're going to take you back to the 80s today with this popular British school dessert.
This was my favourite when I was at primary school. It's a shortcrust tart with a delicious, rich and sticky butterscotch filling.
All the ingredients are listed below in the notes,
as well as a link to our website so you can make the butterscotch tart at home. Before we get started making a butterscotch filling, you need to have your case ready. You can make your own, which we'll show you how to do in another video, or you can buy one already made in the supermarket. Mix 4 tablespoons of plain flour with 6 tablespoons of milk. It's important that you sieve the flour to prevent any lumps forming, and we're using an electric whisk today, but you can use a hand whisk. Do 1 tablespoon at a time. Once the mixture is lump free, keep it to one side, ready for thickening your tart. To make your butterscotch filling, you need 180 grams of unsalted butter, which is 3/4 cup. 2 tablespoons of milk. We find full fat best, but any will work. Stir with a whisk until all the butter has melted. Do not let the butter burn. 180 grams of soft light brown sugar, which is 1 cup. Stir the sugar in and keep stirring at a low heat until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now the sugar has dissolved, it's time to add in the flour and milk mixture we created earlier. When pouring this in, pour it in slowly, bit by bit, and carry on whisking in the pan for 2 to 3 minutes with the heat on. Okay, this looks about right now. It's just starting to bubble. I'm going to turn the heat off and leave it to cool for about 5 minutes. Then pour the mixture into the tart case until it's evenly spread. That's all done. We're going to put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. We finished late with our filming, so we left ours to set overnight. And here's the results. Beautiful butterscotch tart. And there you have it, butterscotch tart. A lovely crisp, sweet short crust pastry with a beautiful butterscotch filling. And finish it off with a big dollop of squirty cream, just like they've done at school.
Oh yeah, that's crispy.
And today we're making one of my favourite. And again, butterscotch. Sweet with
Swish, yeah?
or overnight.
Smashed it.
We've done it! Oh my god!